Daily use English sentences. Number 1. God bless you. God bless you. I do not understand. I do not understand. Whatever he says is not true. Whatever he says is not true. Don't be so childish. Don't be so childish. Read the sentences carefully. Read the sentences carefully. That's so kind of you. That's so kind of you. It's none of your business. It's none of your business. I beg your pardon. I beg your pardon. I am at the office. I am at the office. His words have weight. His words have weight. Would you please speak slowly? Would you please speak slowly? What are you doing? What are you doing? I shall reach by 5:30 train. I shall reach by 5:30 train. What are you doing today? What are you doing today? It's very thoughtful of you. It's very thoughtful of you. The temperature will come down tomorrow. The temperature will come down tomorrow. Have a good trip. Have a good trip. Do you understand me? Do you understand me? What nonsense! What nonsense! You are my responsibility. You are my responsibility. How can I go to the town center? How can I go to the town center? He has a nasal accent. He has a nasal accent. Can I ask you something? Can I ask you something? I am busy at the moment. I am busy at the moment. Who is your favorite teacher? Who is your favorite teacher? How old are you? How old are you? Hurry up, otherwise you will miss the train. Hurry up, otherwise you will miss the train.